Hello guys, I am Shahid and today in this video I will show you how to add transaction between videos, and after that I will show you how to add filters in your videos. So let's open Filmora X and I will import some videos. So here we have two videos. If we want to add transaction between two videos, here you see transactions. Click on it and it will show you some transactions. I will show you some of the transactions. If you want to see previews, double click on it and it will show you a preview. If I want this transaction, I will drop it down to my video timeline and I will drop it where I want to add transaction. I want in between two videos, so I will drop it here. Now I will show you how it looks like. If I don't like this and I want other transaction, I will simply right click on it and delete it and select other transaction. And now drop it down where I want my transaction, and now we'll show you how it looks like. So we have learned how to add transactions. Now I will show you how to add filters in your videos. Here you see effects. Click on it and it will show you some effects. Now if you want to see preview, you can simply double click on it. Or if not downloaded yet, it will start downloading. So if I want this filter, I can drop it down to video timeline and select in which area I want to add filter. I want to add filter in my full video, so I select full. Now I will show you how it looks like. Or if I want other filter, I can delete it and select the other filter and drop it down. So today we have learned how to add transaction between videos and adding a filter. If you want to learn Filmora X or any other software, you can simply subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any of my update. Thanks for watching.